Good morning, everyone. This is GMG Social Network Ideology. My name is Nwachukwu Leonard from Nigeria. We are going to be looking at the following content. What is GMG? Ideology of GMG, how GMG works, types of Mavro in GMG, rules of GMG, benefits of GMG. What is GMG? GMG means Green Mavro Global, and it is a community of helpers created by a group of former MMM participants and guiders. Their aim is to actualize the dream of Sojima Brody, and the community is built on blueprints of his tenants. Green Mavro Global Community is not a bank. Green Mavro does not collect your money. Green Mavro is not an online business, hype, investment, or MLM program. Green Mavro is a community where people help each other. Green Mavro gives you a technical platform which helps millions of its members worldwide to connect those who need help with those who are willing to provide help for free. All funds you transfer to another member represent helps you provide of your own goodwill. Absolute gratis. Green Mavro community is a community that is not interest or profit driven. It is a society of global financial aid and donation exchange community through direct transfer of financial donation among participants, that is peer-to-peer system, meaning person-to-person donation. Ideology of Green Mavro Global Community. I am not here to introduce to you a religious system, neither am I interested in letting you know the best investment package. Rather, I am interested in telling you the truth that many people doesn't want you to know. The truth of the matter is that we are in a financial slavery, and one of the ways to get out of financial slavery is through GMG. Green Mavro Global Community was created in accordance with the principle and ideology of Sojima Brody. Hence, the ideology of Green Mavro Global Community is for you to be free financially. The modern world is bad. It is inhuman, unfair, and unjust. This is the world of money. It is not for people. It is for those who produce this money. It is for bankers and financiers, governments and millionaires. History of Mavrodi. Sojima Brody is the founder and leader of MMM Social Financial Community. Sojima Brody, having a degree in mathematics, worked as a programmer and took part in the development of the first operating system. He was a deputy of Russian parliament. His literary works were published and are sold in bookstores. He was born 11th August 1955. He started MMM Cooperative in 1989. He became a joint stock company in 1994. He was arrested in 2003 and jailed in 2007. Revival of MMM in 2011, and he died 26 March 2018. How does it work? People use their spare money to help rectify well-being. You declare willingness to give help, that is to provide help, after which your account will be credited with Mavro, and Mavro is the currency of the system. GMG is a community of people providing each other financially help on the principle of reciprocity and benevolence. In GMG, you don't have to make contract or pledge your property. In GMG, there are no lender and no debtors. Everything is simple. One participant asks for help and another one helps. The only thing GMG demands from each participant is to be honest and kind to each other. Mechanics on how GMG works. GMG is a community of people providing mutual financial help to each other. One person asks for help and the other person provides the help. It is a mutually beneficial system where the amount you donate grows by 30% per month. GMG is not a bank and does not collect your money. Money is transferred from one member to another. It is totally transparent system. Mavro in GMG. Mavro is the internal currency of GMG. It is what you buy when you pledge to donate, and it will start growing from that moment at a rate of 30 or 40% per month. A calculation of rewards occurs every day until a month. This sum in Mavro shows how much you can request for yourself. Types of Mavro in GMG. Through modern technology, GMG can serve its purposes to all the participants globally with technical program and support. Bitcoin played a huge part in GMG. It is used as a tool to deliver the peer-to-peer exchange of donation fast and easy. I'm talking about Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is the world's first cryptocurrency, a form of electronic cash. It is the first decentralized digital currency. The system was designed to work without central bank or single administrator. Rules of GMG. Do not share your login details with anyone. It is for your safety. Do not edit your banking details or change password less than 15 days before GHing. If you do that, the penalty is that your GH will be placed on moratorium for 14 days. Do not delay in paying for your order. If you delay in paying for your order, the penalty is that you will be blocked. Do not make deposit and fail to attach proof of payment. The penalty is you'll be blocked. Do not fail to confirm payments. If you fail to confirm payments, the penalty is that you will be blocked. Do not forget to write letter of happiness after GH. Maximum day to write it after your GH is 3 days. If you fail to write letter of happiness, the penalty is that you'll be blocked. Do not have multiple accounts. You can always PH as many times as you want with one GMG account. If you decide to create a multiple account, the penalty is that all accounts will be placed on moratorium and only one account may be reopened after series of mail to support with identification proof shown at face level. Benefits of GMG. Interest, bonuses, program. Interest. Great Marvel Global Community is a community that is not interest or profit driven. It is a society of global financial aid and donation exchange community through direct transfer of financial donation among participants. That is peer-to-peer system, meaning person-to-person donation. Bonuses. A bonus refers to as an incentive a participant gets in the community. This is a form of motivation and it boosts the performance of a participant. Registration bonus. If you join today and be honest to yourself by creating one account, there is a help for you to provide and a help for you to get, and you will be rewarded by 30% per month and a first time registration bonus ranging from $50 to $100 depending on the amount you donated. The growth is 30% per month. This PH is matched within 48 hours and is supposed to be made to withdraw bonuses, registration, referral, guidance, or leadership bonuses. You can create a GH request of 2 times the amount of PH you provided from your bonus after confirmation of this contribution. Referral bonus. You get 10% from all deposits of the participants you invited. Inviting new members into the community is your additional contribution to its development, but nobody forced the members of the community to invite new participants. But at the same time, understanding that GMG network cannot exist without development and participant encouragement in the form of referral bonuses motivates many people to take active position. Guider bonus. GMG guiders are specially trained participants of the GMG community. GMG guiders are the foundation and strength of the community. In GMG, we have different levels of bonuses ranging from first level to 8th level or more. Leadership bonus. GMG leaders take part in shaping the future of GMG community. They advise and assist participants of the community when they have some difficulties, including login problems, unblocking of GMG accounts, hacked and compromised accounts, transitional issues. Program. In GMG, participants invite newbies to join GMG by organizing seminars, presentation, imparting life by organizing welfare, NGO, and skill acquisition for financial freedom. Conclusion. However, GMG have implemented various mechanisms to make donation exchange process more stable and beneficial. GMG have taken time to analyze the shortcomings of MMM, and GMG have put in place measures to control most of its flaws. Join me today and be financially free. Register here. Hypertext Transfer Protocol Security /greenmavro.com/office/create-accounts ref equals to new leaders at gmail.com. Thank you.